Hey, food lovers! Have you ever wondered how a plant-based diet can truly transform your health and inspire you to eat better? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of plant-based eating and exploring all the incredible benefits it has to offer. Plant-based diets have been gaining popularity for some very compelling reasons. Not only are they fantastic for your health, but they also have a significant positive impact on the planet and animal welfare. More and more people are embracing this lifestyle, and it's not hard to see why. Let's explore why this might just be the healthiest decision you ever make. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can come with its own set of challenges. You might wonder how to plan meals without your usual staples, or feel the pressure from friends and family who aren't on the same path. It's not always easy to make the switch, but fear not, we're here to guide you through these obstacles and make the transition as smooth as possible. Imagine going to a restaurant and finding limited plant-based options, or having to explain your dietary choices at social gatherings. It's situations like these that often discourage people from sticking to a plant-based lifestyle. But the good news is, with a little preparation and some handy tips, you can easily overcome these challenges. One of the best parts of adopting a plant-based diet is the incredible variety of delicious foods you get to enjoy. From vibrant salads bursting with flavor to hearty veggie burgers and decadent smoothie bowls, there's no shortage of options to tantalize your taste buds. And guess what? These plant-based foods can be easily incorporated into your daily meals, making it simple to eat healthily and deliciously at the same time. Think about the possibilities. Spicy chickpea curries, fresh avocado toast, zesty quinoa salads, and creamy almond butter smoothies, the list goes on. The plant-based world is full of exciting culinary adventures waiting for you to explore. Studies have shown that eating more plants not only improves your overall health by reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, but it also contributes to a healthier planet by reducing carbon footprints and promoting animal welfare. When you choose plant-based options, you're not just nourishing your body, you're making a positive impact on the world around you. Imagine contributing to a healthier planet and supporting the ethical treatment of animals, all while improving your own health. That's what we call a win-win. In summary, adopting a plant-based diet offers a myriad of benefits for your health, the environment, and animal welfare. So, why not give it a try and witness the positive changes it can bring to your life? It's never too late to start eating more plants and reaping the rewards of a healthier lifestyle. You have the power to make a difference in your health and the world around you. Imagine how amazing 2024 could be with a vibrant, plant-based lifestyle at its core. If you're inspired to embark on a plant-based journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more healthy eating tips, delicious recipes, and inspiration. And don't forget to share your own plant-based creations in the comments below. Let's support each other on this delicious and nutritious adventure towards better health and a brighter future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, eat plants, live well.